So hello. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also support my small business at latricelimited.com. So Illinois passed a safety act / what people are calling it, the Purge Law. I want you guys to hear what Joe Rogan had to say about it, and then I'll give my thoughts and opinions on it as we go.
From the outside, they go, "Oh, you're exaggerating." Like, no, you need to go there. You need to go there and realize how bad it is.
Well, didn't Illinois just pass some new law?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
The crazy
the
safety law. It's they're essentially eliminating cash bail for almost everything dangerous. Kidnapping, they're eliminating cash bail for second-degree murder. They're eliminating cash bail for murder through narcotics. So you could like overdose someone and drug them to death and no cash bail. Intimidating an official, like a federal official, or here it is. Here's the things. The law includes secondary murder, arson, so you could light a guy's house on fire, get right out of jail, drug-induced homicide, robbery, kidnapping, aggravated battery, burglary, intimidation, aggravated driving under the influence, fleeing and eluding drug offenses, and threatening a public official. No bail.
What? I'm from Illinois.
It's crazy. I mean, everyone's freaking out. I'm very concerned about the increase in violent crime. Again, I do want to stress there's still time to fix it. The state's attorneys are working very hard. We have been for the last year and a half to fix this law. It's very fixable. We could still eliminate cash bail, but make sure the right people are in custody and everybody who's not in danger gets out, said State's Attorney Robert Berlin. Yeah, they're fucked because
he is not happy about this, okay? Because it is what people are saying it is, okay? I did a video on this explaining it. If you want to check that one out, cool. You know, it's saying that you could commit these serious offenses and then you have people who are actually defending it. And people are like, oh, well, it's giving people their right back, so you can't just buy your freedom, this and that, and the third. Well, here's the thing. If you committed second-degree murder, you should not be able to be out on bail, yo. Period. You know, and people are saying, well, it's not going to automatically put you on, put you out there. Well, yes, it has to go through like a 3-step process, essentially to see if you are a danger to the public. That's all the judge is going to be looking at. Are you a danger? No? Cool. You could come out. Okay. I was just watching this story with Houston. All right. In Houston, he was a sexual offender. And he went and attacked a lady. And they said that, he was a repeater, whatever. They put him out on bond. And this just recently happened. They put him out on bond for $100. So all he needs is $10. He could get that change from his back pocket. Here you go. And then he can go out and do the same exact thing. Now, with this safety thing, they're not saying that any kind of sexual nature violence is included in that. But you have arson, you have burglary, so many other things. And something else that I noticed that a lot of people are not mentioning. So it's not just that, but what's also included in this act is the fact that if you are a person who has an ankle monitor and you're like, you know what, I know I'm not supposed to leave, but I'm leaving now. And you could just dip. Cops do not have to start looking for you until 48 hours have passed. 2 days have to pass before anyone can start looking for you. That's a problem. Because as we know, and I've seen a couple stories from Houston, people are taking these ankle monitors off. I don't know how they're doing it, but they're taking it off. So who's to say you don't flee, take it off somewhere, dump it in the ocean, and then now you're in a completely 7 states over. Who's to say that you're not doing that? I won't have to look for you until 2 days have passed. 2 days have passed. Now I can't find you. Now you're out on the streets doing God knows what. Then you also look at, there's another part that no one's talking about. How if you are a business owner, you have a shop somewhere, or you are a homeowner, your own personal residence. If you have a trespasser on your property, the most cops can do is give them a citation. They cannot physically remove them. They said that is now up to the owner. So if someone is, as it was one of the mayors, they said pretty much if someone's living in your shed and someone just wants to chill out in your shed and you're like, yo, you can't, this is mine. You can't, oh, go get the cops then. All they can do is give them a piece of paper. Yeah, you got to get off of here. But, if you don't, there's nothing we can do. And they say you have to take legal action or whatever other force you feel is necessary to get them off of your property. Now, you may say, oh my goodness, that's insane. Yeah, it is. That's insane. That's insanity that you can't do anything. And then the judge said you have to see what's proper action that you can take, because you can't just take any action. You take any kind of action, you will probably be arrested. That's crazy.